Good morning, beautiful friends. Those are my pal for today. I came to the flea market and I always want to have that carpet green shrub over there. And I got 3 and I got 2 more over there because I need to remove some of the stuff I put there. And I got 1 more of that green giant things because I got 5 last time. And I take 1 more. Like I said, I always want, when I'm buying my stuff, to buy them by pair. Yeah, and I have a lot of things to do today, but I'm waiting for the guys for me to pay him. He's not here. And yeah, I don't know the name of this shrub, but this one is beautiful, but it's tall. It's really tall. I don't really like when they that tall. Oh, I don't know. The guys is not here.